Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So, another video support for chapter 5. So, we proceed to this problem here. The angular velocity of a flywheel obeys the equation omegas omega sub t o w's omega kasi tiya omega t a plus bt squared where t is in seconds and a plus b are constants having numerical values 2.75 and 1.50. What are the units of a and b if wc is in radians per second? So your wc is the angular velocity. So proper natin velocity, that's meters per second din and libot per second. So ang linear velocity is or velocity natin is meters dadalagan inilat libot. So in radians usually. Radians per second. What is the angular unanay, what is the units? So the units for A and B, for A, of course, that is radians per second. Kay wari naman niya iba nga ginattach. Okay? Para pareho rat unit it WC. Ano mo B, that is radians per second cube. Kaya may mo squared dito. So kung di ka mo nakakaintindi, okay. So I have radians. Ano ba sa kinuna na? Iba sa kinuna na. Sorry. Radians per second. So kung ano mo, omega z is in radians per second, your A should be also in radians per second. Kaya wala naman niya multiply. Kaya mo kasi function wz of t. So you have the dependent variable t is equal to A plus bt squared. So adi radians per second. While your beta should be in radians per second cube. Diba? Para kung may dani mo di that time nga squared, t squared. So cancelan usa magkakamayada ka radians per second, pwede mo na ma-plus. So A has a unit of radians per second while B has a unit of radians per second cube. I think that's a no-brainer. Panigurado la. Nagkakaintindihan. And then what is the angular acceleration? So your angular acceleration from your kinematics, anyway, ito yung formula. Your WC sub t is actually equal to amo gyapon. Your acceleration z itya pag notate that is your acceleration rotation. Ano yung acceleration rotation? That is the derivative of your omega z with respect to t. So, proper ka pa mo, acceleration is the derivative of v, velocity with respect to time. So, may dagit kita formula tuman. So, amo lagapitiran kinematics equation 1, 2, 3, 4. Amo lagapitiran nga tulo. Diba? This is your distance xx or yana is nakakuan na ya. Naka-theta-theta or angle. Angle is angular velocity. So this is velocity already. Di ba ning kinematics duha nga x katikangan I think this is the second one. Ay nagkabarobaral ini. I think the last one is x minus x, the fourth one. This is the second one, or the first one. Di ba constant AZ only. And W is constant AZ only. Ano yung number 3? Medyo nagbaralyo ka ng piso. Okay, pero amo lang gapituya. Okay, so ay na kita. Dito gamiton, AZ is dWz dt. dWz dt, so as if you're just derivative of A. So actually, pwede ni diretso ng calculator. Say, diretso tanay. 2.75 plus 1.50 t squared. Okay? With respect to dt. Derivative of that. So, kung diretsong ko calculator, mabutang lako at t. At t is equal to 0, may din ako answer AZ. Okay, diretsong tanay calculator. You get your calculator, of course, component mode, and then you have derivative. Diba, di man? Then you will type 2.75 plus 1.50 alpha x. Alpha x lang tiya kuan. Ang alpha x squared. Okay? And then you will put your limit o dirang limit ani mo talaga t as 0. So kung 0, you will have 0 at t is equal to ano niya ginarong ikaduha at t is equal to 5 seconds. 5 seconds, your AZ is babalyang ko la didi. Diba 5? So balyang ko lang 5. Memory la, memory. Para malaksi. Your answer should be 15 units, should be radians per second squared. So pareho lagi pero naka-radian aton distance. Okay, because we're talking about angular kinematics. So kung mano-mano, of course, you have the derivative of 2.75 with respect to t plus magawa sa 1.50 kay constant derivative of t squared all over t. So iniya 0, then you would have 150 derivative of t squared malusad ang 2 minus 1 t raised to 2 minus 1 and then dt all over dt which is 1. So finally we have 1.50 1 times 1 matmagawas dd t. Mula, that is the expression for your AZ. Then we substitute AZ is equal to 1.50 times 0 seconds. So that is equal to 0 and that's why your AZ at t is equal to 0, your AZ is also 0. At t is equal to 5 seconds, AZ is equal to 1.50 unit niya ini is ang kanina di man radians per second cube. Diba? And then we substitute our time which is 5 seconds cancel an duha awan usa so may masasalin niya sa. So 1.50 times 5 and basically you would have a 7.5. 7.5. Oy, diri man pareho. Anong nangyari? Ay, sa'yo pa akong derivative. N plus ay, akong derivative. 2 times 2. Okay, 2 kulang yung times 2. Sorry, sa save gapi, sir. So, dt squared is 2 n minus 1. So, malo sa rin. Natin integral is the integral of x to the n magiging x n to n plus 1 all over n plus 1. So, kung pabaliktad, n x. Sorry. So, sayo pa ko din sa nato niya ang derivative of x to the n, di ba? Over dx is equal to nx n minus 1 dx all over dx. Sorry. So, 2dd. Okay. So, 2t ngayon. 2t. Ay, nako. Sorry la. Pwede mag-sorry. And that would be equal to 3t. Okay? 1.53t. So, di 3. Pero 0 lagi up. And then for 5, you would have another 3 ngayon ini. So, nagsasabi po sir, di ba? Labi na kung dur-dur ni sir. Wari na review. So, 3 times 5. Okay. Kaya mo, pinala may calculator. Ay, nako. Kung waray sir, di maninamdom. Anyway, siguraduhin ko ka, didilitong ko kung baga sa'yo ko kini. 3 times 5, that would be a 15 meters, ay sorry, radian per second squared. That is your AC. Okay? That is your second. May pa. Sige lang, kaya laban at kuhan, tudot-turong ko lang. But anyway, I don't need to finish all. At least nakatagla kon support man lang niya. Support. Dapat nag-study kasi ka mo. Okay? Support man lang para baga damor doon mo example.